We've got a special one just in time for Valentine's Day, the Air Jordan 3. Valentine's Day 2025 edition. What's up, sneakerheads? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the latest sneaker drops, reviews, and heat for your feet. Whether you're copping these for yourself or as the ultimate sneaker gift for that special someone, you'll definitely want to stick around for this full breakdown. Let's get into it. Jordan Brand has been no stranger to dropping some fire Valentine's Day editions over the years, and this one keeps the tradition alive. The Jordan 3 is an all-time classic, originally released in 1988 and designed by the legendary Tinker Hatfield. Fast forward to 2025, and we've got a fresh take with this romantic colorway that will turn heads. All right, let's talk about what makes these kicks special. First up, the upper is dressed in this soft-washed coral suede, giving it that premium, buttery look and feel. And just like love, the details matter. We've got gym red accents on the iconic elephant print overlays and the Jumpman logo on the tongue. That contrast is a chef's kiss. The midsole comes in a clean sail tone, adding that vintage vibe we all love. And of course, it wouldn't be a Jordan 3 without the visible air unit in the heel, bringing both comfort and style. And we get the classic Jumpman logo on the heel tab. Now, I know some of y'all were hoping for Nike Air branding, but trust me, this still delivers on the aesthetic. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Inside, the insole has a special Valentine's Day themed design with subtle heart graphics, adding a personal touch. And check this out. The inner tongue has a hidden message. Love is in the air. Jordan Brand really knows how to make us feel the love. Now let's talk styling. These are incredibly versatile. Pair them with some light-wash denim for a clean, everyday look. Or go all out with some red or pink accents to really embrace the Valentine's Day theme. Whether you're rocking them to a date night, a party, or just flexing on the gram, these will have you looking 10 out of 10, comfort-wise. Jordan 3s never disappoint. That air cushioning in the heel keeps things comfortable for all-day wear, and the high-quality suede gives it a soft, premium feel on foot. If you're planning to rock these on a long night out, don't worry, your feet will thank you later. All right, so final verdict. Are these a cop or drop? If you ask me, this is a must-cop for Jordan 3 lovers, collectors, and anyone looking for that perfect Valentine's Day flex. The materials, the colorway, the details. Jordan Brand really delivered on this one. But don't sleep on these. They've already dropped on February 1st, 2025. And you know how fast these limited edition kicks have been flying off the shelves. That's a wrap on today's review. Let me know in the comments. Are you feeling these or are you passing on them? Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on the latest sneaker heat. Until next time, keep it fresh, keep it fly, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.